Hi everyone, in this video I will show how to recover deleted email messages or recover or restore deleted email chats when you accidentally delete or lost your email messages or email chats. In this time you can easily recover or read or restore or see your all deleted email messages or email chats. So let's see how to do that. I will show some steps. You can follow all steps, so don't skip this video, watch full video and please subscribe this channel. In this I can see my all email chat history or all email messages or chats, and in this I can easily recover or restore. So first of all I can delete some email messages or email chats. You can see in this time I can delete some email chats or some email messages, but I can easily recover or restore all deleted email chats or recover or restore all deleted email chat history and messages. So let's see. Minimize it and go to your Google Play Store. After that, in this here write and search deleted messages recovery. After that, install this app. After install this app and then open it. After that, click here. Choose allow notification access. Choose allow. Recover messages turn on. Choose allow. Scroll down. After that you can see email and then add, click here. After that right top corner done, click on it. After that you can see email, so in this time you can choose and open email. After that I can see my all deleted email chat history or email messages or email chats recover or restore in this here, and in this way you can easily recover or restore your all deleted email chat history or read or see your all deleted email messages or email chats. And in this way I can easily recover or restore my all deleted email chat history or recover email messages or email chats. So thank you very much and please subscribe this channel.